You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of the coach of the French national rugby team and former rugby player himself. In French in France it is said as Fabien Galthié. Okay, so the H doesn't matter, don't worry about it. Fabien Galthié, that's how we say it in France. You could say it in English as Fabien Galthié. There's no particular stress on any syllable of his name because we don't do that in French. Fabien Galthié or Fabien Galthié. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.